What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to talk on a topic that we have talked about in previous video. We were talking about the space and how does it actually affect our body. How does the vacuum, how does everything affect our body, and we did talk about how it on sometimes just seem like it will break our body. But did that actually happen? No, it did not. But we were talking about like so many stuff as well on that time. So what happens in some of those time is that we are talking about space and related to body to our space. So first of all, whenever we talk about space, what happens in that condition? Whenever we are talking indirectly or directly about space, then the first thing that is going to come to our mind is that floating. It is going to be, we are going to be jumping from here to there, from one planet to another, or we are going to be floating up and high. That's the thing that comes in my mind actually. What comes in your, I don't have any idea, but that's what comes in my mind as well at that time. So what we are talking about over here is that whenever we get the topic of space, we are like levitating at that point. So whenever the ISRO or any type of institution, the NASA as well, which is a very big institution of space research, at that case, whenever we talk about it, they are given a training of vacuum because there's no gravity at that place. There might be oxygen for you to survive, but there's no gravity. Gravity cannot be simulated. No gravity could be simulated, but gravity could not be simulated. So what happens? They have to train by themselves. So how do they train? This like big air thing which helps you levitate without any gravity. So it feels like, but there are two type of force which is pulling one's up and one is down. So there are two type of force which keeps you in a certain position. So that's what happens in that thing. And you have seen many people like that one chair which moves around and around, and you will be like, it's zero gravity. It's not like that. It is not like that. It could not be simulated, but no gravity could be simulated because there has been a plane which have its own degree. So whenever it gets launched in the air, it will get at a constant space first of all, and then after that, when reaching above the ocean, then it will what do it will do its work, the work of making an degree of an 45. Whenever a 45 degree is made from the original state to this angle, then it goes up. So the force of attraction of going upward and the downward will be two cases. So the gravity could not keep up, thus there's no gravity field. The same thing is done again. Whenever it goes up, then it has to come down. So the exact 45 degree as negative, whenever they turn down, then there will be the same simulation of no gravity because of the degree of the plane. So what happens? Your organs, they will be completely fine. Your body, your heart, your circulation, everything would be fine. But some people might get motion sickness. What happens whenever they are driving from one place to another? Then they will be like, I just seems to vomit a lot. What happens in that condition? Whenever they vomit a lot, that time their body is getting two type of messages at the same time. One from their eyes and one from their senses. Because their senses are telling them, no, you are sitting right now. But your eyes could see, I am moving right now. So there are two type of motion, two type of thing, activity which are given to your brain constantly. So that thing is when there are two type of message which is given to your brain, then you would vomit at that place because your brain could not keep up to that message. So that's the thing. I hope you understand all of this thing. If you don't understand, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.